I'm standing above Eagle on the Yukon River. It's a beautiful day, July 11th, about 70 degrees. And as you look across this immense river, you can see some bluffs where we've been listening to rough-legged hawks have been crying across the water there. Lots of swallows have been feeding on insects. And this river is flowing about 5 or 6 miles per hour. Heavily silted, very, very turbid river because there are so many tributaries. And one of them, the White River, flows from glaciers of the St. Elias Mountains. So that really causes a lot of this turbidity that you see. It almost looks like a cup of coffee with half and half mixed into it. It's so silted. Now, if you listen carefully, you can hear the little grains of silt in the water scouring the rocks on the bottom of the river. Listen carefully. That sizzling sound. It's just the tiny, tiny particles moving across the floor, those rocks underneath us. The Yukon River.